Hi, today we're going to walk through uploading your wallet keys to the new Ember wallet. So to do this, the first thing we need to do is open up the Ember QT for the old wallet. And so right now we're going ahead and loading that up. Okay, so now we have the old wallet loaded here. So to launch, or to get our wallet keys, we want to go to the help section here and click on debug window. In this debug window, you'll see we have this console tab. We click on that, and into this console we're going to type dump wallet dump.txt. Click enter. You'll see that the dump wallet.dump.txt command is inputted into the console, and you have this little output that says it was outputted, although there is no print. If you look into the folder where you had your EmberQT at, you'll now see this dump file. So this right here, this dump file basically has all of your Ember keys in it, all your addresses that you've received and sent Ember with. That way the blockchain recognizes it. Oh, hey, this is your Ember. Okay, so now that this is created, what we need to do is navigate to the location where you have your Ember files. For Windows, this is in Windows C, you're going to go to Users, and then go to your computer's username. Mine's Donald. And then App Data, Roaming, and then Ember. So this brings up all of these files here. What you're going to want to do with these files is, of course, create a file and back them up. So I'm just going to put here on my desktop, Ember Backup, open this file up, and just copy all these to that, using Control-C and then Control-V. Alright. So now that I have my files backed up here, I can then go ahead and get rid of the wallet.dat file from here, because the new wallet will create a wallet.dat file, which we will then load our dump keys into. Also note that this is the location where your Ember conf file is, your peers.dat. If you have any trouble with connections with a new wallet, this is where you're going to come in and change those files. So it's good to just know where this file is. So we can go ahead and close this, and next thing I'm going to do is also close my Ember wallet here. I got to make sure that it's closed out, so I'm going to just go into the Task Manager here real quick and make sure it's off. It's gone. Okay. Ember file here, I'm just going to Control-C that dump and Control-V it to the new one. You can launch the new EmberQT, and I'll show you here in this file. If we navigate back to users, your username, app data, roaming, Ember, and you can see that a wallet.dat file has now been created upon opening this. So to load your keys in, real easy to do, go back to help, debug window, console, and this time you're going to put import wallet dump.txt, click enter, and that will say, hey, we entered this command, we've done this, and then your Ember should show up here in your wallet. This Ember wallet doesn't have any coins in it for the demonstration purposes, but in your wallet, your Ember should show up. If it doesn't, go ahead and close the wallet, relaunch it, and it should show up then.